Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Karthik. I'm in 11th grade now. Soon I'll be facing the reality of the college life, working longer and harder hours and living in that cramped dorm room. However, it's important for me to remain healthy and stay in touch, especially with the South Indian food that I've been eating all my life. Throughout the years, I've noticed, well, actually my mom's noticed, that I enjoy eating thyre-based foods. So today, I'll be making one of my favorites, aviyal. So you start out by blending coconut and cumin and green chilies into this paste which has already been done. So for aviyal, this is done in 3 layers. In the first layer, you want to add 3 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. For the second layer, you want to add any really half cup of any vegetables of your choice. So I have carrots, white pumpkin, yellow pumpkin, taro root, and plantain. And then I'm going to be adding some turmeric, mainly for like color and its medicinal properties. Finally, you can add some salt. Then for the final layer, you want to add the coconut paste that we had before. After that, you just close it, put it on high, wait for 2 whistles, and it should almost be done. Alright, so that's 2 whistles. So it's very important, that you release all the pressure before you open the vessel. You really don't want the food to explode onto your plate. Release pressure valve. That's good. Alright. So now what you need to do is add 1 cup of yogurt. Let's pour that in there. And some coconut oil. So go ahead and mix this. And afterwards, our aviyal should be done. Alright, look at that. Not bad. So that's how you make aviyal. This is probably something I'll use in my dorm along with many other foods. So if time permits, I'll see you again.